Hi students, welcome back to Venkat Golla tutorials. Let's now talk about physiology of excretion. Physiology of excretion. The man is ureotelic. Man is ureotelic. The physiology of excretion involves two steps. It involves two steps. Number one is formation urea and formation of urine. Let's see the word formation of urea. The formation of urea is in the form of cyclic manner, that is called ornithine cycle. Ornithine cycle. This is also called Krebs, also known as Krebs-Hanslitt cycle. Hanslitt cycle, because the Krebs-Hanslitt and Krebs and Hanslitt, there are two scientists who have studied about this formation of urea cycle. So we can call it as Krebs-Hanslitt cycle or ornithine cycle, because it is amino acid, the beginning of this urea formation with amino acid called ornithine is called ornithine cycle. Now let's see that the steps that involves. It involves 5 steps. There are 5 steps that involves in this formation of urea. Let's see the step number 1. So step number 1 is formation of carbamyl phosphate. Formation of carbamyl phosphate, this is the first step. In this, ammonia is reactive with carbon dioxide and form a carbamyl phosphate. Carbamyl phosphate in the presence of enzyme called carbamyl phosphatase synthetase. Carbamyl phosphatase synthetase, and it is an energy consuming process. There are 2 ATPs are utilized over here. And the formation of urea takes place in the liver. So this cycle takes place in the liver cells. Liver cells, where this urea formation takes place means in the liver cells, actually in the mitochondria of liver cells. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is a formation of citrulline. Formation of citrulline. In this reaction, a carbamyl phosphate is combined with the amino acid ornithine. So ornithine is an amino acid and forms citrulline in the presence of enzyme called ornithine transacetylase. So it is the name of enzyme. And coming to step number 3, and step number 3 is this formation of arginosuccinic acid. In this reaction, the citrulline is react with aspartic acid. This aspartic acid, it is also energy consuming process. The presence of enzyme called arginosuccinic synthetase and form arginosuccinic acid. So this is arginosuccinic acid. This is step number 3. Formation of citrulline is step number 2. Formation of carbamyl phosphate, this is step number 1. So 1, 2, 3. And now coming to another step, number 4. Arginosuccinic acid is catalyzes into a fumaric acid and arginine. This arginine in the presence of enzyme called arginosuccinate. The name of enzyme called arginosuccinate. This requires in the presence of magnesium ions. Now coming to step number 5, the last step. This arginine is catalyzes. Arginine catalyzes, splits into the presence of enzyme called arginase into ornithine and urea. This is the last step. This is the step number 5. So arginine splits into ornithine and urea in the presence of enzyme called arginase. So these are the steps that involves in the formation of urea. So formation of urea involves 5 steps. So man is ureatelic animal. So that excrete substance is urea. The physiology of excretion is involved 2 steps. One is formation of urea, other one is called formation of urine. And the formation of urine takes place in the liver cell. Where exactly this formation of urea takes place means in the liver cells. And this was first studied by 2 of the scientists. One is Hans Krebs and other one is Henseleit. So in honor of them, it is also known as Krebs-Henseleit cycle or ornithine cycle, which involves the 5 steps. What are the first step is formation of carbamyl phosphate. Second is formation of citrulline. Third one is formation of arginosuccinic acid. And the fourth one is the formation of arginine. The fifth one is formation of urea and ornithine. Now let us go with our detailed study with regard to this diagrammatic cyclic process, the cyclic reactions, so that we can understand in detail. So let's now see this cycle, urea cycle or ornithine arginine cycle. Now how this cycle, we'll see now. Let's take for example the first step, as we said that ammonia is combines or react with carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme called carbamyl phosphatase synthetase and form carbamyl phosphate. This carbamyl phosphate is combines with ornithine, which is an amino acid, and form citrulline. In the presence of enzyme, that means this ornithine plus carbamyl phosphate and form citrulline. In the presence of enzyme called ornithine transacetylase and then citrulline is combined with aspartic acid and form organosuccinic acid. Now this organosuccinic acid is formed in the presence of enzyme called arginosuccinic synthetase. Is the name of an enzyme, arginosuccinic synthetase enzyme. Now this arginosuccinic acid, it converted into arginine, and this arginosuccinic acid is converted into arginine. And before this arginine formation, this also fumaric acid is also formed. Fumaric acid. In the presence of enzyme called arginosuccinate. And now this arginine is hydrolyzes, split into urea and arginine. In the presence of enzyme named as arginase. In the presence of enzyme arginase, arginine is split into urea and ornithine. Now this ornithine is combines with what carbamyl phosphate and continue for the ornithine cycle, formation of urea cycle. So thus the formation of urea takes place. This cycle is called as ornithine arginine cycle. Ornithine-arginine cycle, or I can say that urea cycle. I hope you all understand this. So the urea formation, the first step in process of physiology of excretion, and the second step is formation of urine in the next step. So next video we will see the formation of urine. Hope you all understand this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.